Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, it's right here in my case. Then tap on the settings icon, and here you will notice timer, so just click on it and pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds, whichever option you prefer, and I will pick 10 seconds. Let me go back, and as you can see now, if you click on the taken picture icon, you will have the 10 seconds delay. So meanwhile you can see it to the photo, customize it, and now it will be grabbed. And that's it. Then if you'd like to switch it off, just tap on the settings icon again, go to the timer, it's right here, and turn it off by tapping on off. And as you can see now, there is no delay. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.